Went outside to do some cleanup after the sun went down. So I wanted to do it while they were asleep. It looks like they cleared out most of all that comb of any resources. I had checked earlier this afternoon and the activity out there wasn't so great. But I found that queen cell that I dropped. I gotta keep it right here. I just wanted to see what I could see inside. Yes, cat. Guess what? Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully the other queen cells that I found in there will emerge. So I know I saved a couple as best as I could. What are you? It's just a half a bee head. So yeah, they're viable queen cells. This one was. Again, I accidentally dropped it and it flopped. So, and I know I saved at least 3 others, and I was as careful as I could be when I moved them. So I also, what is that? I don't think that's a mite. I think that's just some dirt. The other thing that I decided on doing was I wasn't going to move that hive for another, I don't know, 3 weeks or so, 4 weeks. I gotta check the calendar on the development of this, how far developed it is. But I would imagine if I keep myself, just keep it where it's at for another 3 weeks, and hopefully they'll requeen and clean everything up, and I'll have a good hive. So yeah, that's interesting. I just wanted to open this up and see if they were actually putting together queens. And I would say yes. So there it is. Well, horrifyingly interesting. Well, hopefully it's not a total disaster. All right, that's it. Enough of this science. Bah.